Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Very much, Honorable First Deputy Speaker, sir. At this juncture, maybe before I say something, Honorable Deputy Speaker, is it in order that I see most of the members browsing their phones? Is it in order? Because I see I have been looking around, and as a leader, should we allow phones in this house? Because I see almost each and everyone on their smartphone, browsing WhatsApp, browsing Facebook, browsing what? Is this in order? No. As a leader of this house, I would want to appeal to your office, and I want to move a motion that effective today, in this house, no more smartphones should be allowed. No more smartphones should be allowed. And we have to be serious in this house. We must be serious in this house. And I want to appeal to you, once you see anyone browsing their phones, use the standing order 105, chase them away. You must chase them away. Having said that, First Deputy Speaker, sir, at this juncture, let us tackle questions for oral replies from the Minister to the Ministry of Agriculture, Irrigation and Water Development. Howie?
Deputy Leader, we will need you to move an extension of question time, because question time goes up to 10:45, and then that's the health break.
Yes.
So please extend that we tackle questions after the health break. Sure.
Thank you very much, Mr. First Deputy Speaker. Let me move a motion that we extend question time for oral replies after the health break. I beg to move, Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir.
Honourable members, we have a motion on the floor. Motion to extend question time after the health break. Those of that opinion say aye. Those of the contrary opinion say no. The ayes have it, the motion is carried. We will now go as advised by the Honourable Minister, but before that I see a point of order, actually 2 points of orders, one from the people of Blantyre, City, Blantyre, City, Mapanga, Mzedi, Bangwe, not Club Banana. Club Banana is for my boss, so I think I'll stop there. You have the floor, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Second Deputy Speaker. Second Deputy Speaker. Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, for recognizing the people of Mpingwi, Mapanga, Zedi constituency. Is it in order, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, for the honorable member of Salima Central West to dress in his party colors in this house? Thank you, Mr. First Deputy Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Honourable Member. We love these later moments. The presiding officer was looking at the color that Zomba Malosa is putting on this morning. And the presiding officer is enjoying the colors in the house. And to confirm that these colors belong to a political party is actually, our women look so beautiful and men are trying so hard to look so handsome in trying to change the colors of our suits. That's why men are wearing like that. So the honorable member is properly dressed for the assembly and he can stay in the house because he actually looks so good in a green suit. I think we need to start one day, honorable member, try a blue suit. A blue suit also looks so good. Thank you very much. I see a point of order from Lilongwe City, Lumbazi constituency. Lilongwe City, Lumbas, you have the floor on a point of order.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable First Deputy Speaker, for allowing the people of Lilongwe City Lumbazi constituency to raise a point of order. Outrightly, First Deputy Speaker, sir, in avoidance of being rude, out of order, I will just indicate that was it in order for the Honorable Minister of Education to complete answering questions without looking at Lumbazi City, Lilongwe City, Lumbazi constituency, which has no single secondary school, and yet it is a fully fledged.
Thank you very much, Honorable Lilongwe City Lumbas, for taking us closer to the health break. We love the people around Maguero area. For the obvious stuff, you are right when you drive to the airport. So around Maguero, if you go back, please greet us, the people around Maguero area. Honourable members, before I suspend for health break, I have a communication to make. The people of the beautiful city of Zomba City South constituency have blessed the house this morning and the office of the speaker by bringing us 24 village headmen from all the way from the old capital city to the capital city of Lilongwe, and indeed to Parliament. May I request the chiefs and leaders from Zomba City South constituency to please rise so your Parliament can appreciate you. Tipemphe magogo onse amene mwachoka ku Zomba City muyimirire kuti tikulandireni ku nyumba ya malamulo. Takulandirani ku nyumba ya malamulo, mukhale omasuka. Mafumu athu tikuthokozeni chifukwa chobwera ku nyumba ya malamulo. Mulungu wakumwamba akusogolereni pamene mukubwerera kumuzi ku Zomba. Thank you very much for coming. I've always encouraged the honorable members. The honorable member for Zomba City South, please rise and wave at your leaders and the chiefs, please. Thank you very much. Zomba City North is also in the house. Zomba Malosa is in the house. And Zomba Tondwe is in the house. Zomba Chikomo is in the house. And the Honorable Minister of Defense, who is the Honorable Member for Zomba Changalume, is also in the house. So Zomba is a full house today. Thank you very much. Can I request all Honorable members from Zomba to rise? Zomba, can we all rise? Zomba, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you very much. Honourable members, don't sit, don't sit, don't sit. There's an announcement I'm making for those members from Zomba. Please don't sit. Please rise from Zomba. And those mafumu watu mwawaona Aphungu amene ayimirirawa ndi amene tasankha kuti akusamaleni lero kulilongwe kunoko zikomo kwambiri. Honourable members, it is 10:47. Tipemphe kuti mukhale pansi azigogo. Honourable members, it is 10:47. I suspend proceedings for a healthy break. The House will resume sitting at 18 a.m. House suspended.
Osayiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.